Welcome back to the KSS YouTube channel. On today's episode, we are going to the track. Well, we are at the track, but on the 7th gen, we're going to try again, but we're not K24 anymore. I wanted to keep it, but I was like, hold on. That's a whole new tuning process with the K24 VTEC lock. We've had good luck with the K20s, so I just slapped the K20 that was in it before back in. But this time I just put a new head gasket because of the mileage. It was 330,000 kilometers. So a new head gasket, and I put K20 Z3 cams from an 06 to 11 Civic Si, and I took Aiden's tune. Had to do a little bit of changes because I don't have the same intercooler piping as him. I'm trying to talk. But yeah, not the same intercooler piping, not the same manifold, so there was a little bit of changes to do in the fuel department, so those were done. But everything is good other than that. I put a rad fan after 2 years of having this car.
And a new rad fan.
It is wired kind of classic OG Booster Boy style.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's the new setup, or new-ish setup. We're gonna try it on the track, and we're gonna see. Am I gonna snap an axle? Am I gonna go left into the wall again?
Yeah.
Am I gonna run a 17.6? Am I gonna? Who knows what's gonna happen? So, wish me luck, and let's go.
All right, here he goes. Good burnout. First pass with the new motor. He's moving. $13.4. Okay. First pass, not bad. 13.4. How was that? Crap, eh? But how was the pass?
I felt good. I thought I was gonna beat my 13.2.
Yeah.
But I didn't. Oh well.
Seemed like it launched good. You did a decent burnout.
Yeah, I know. It started squeaking. I was like, oh, it's the e-brake.
Yeah, I was like, you must have his e-brake still on.
Well, I'm gonna do another one soon. I'm gonna let it cool down.
Just checking out the car there, bro.
Yeah.
Hooking up, eh?
Huh?
You got some serious.
Yeah, it hooked up good, but it's pulling to like the whole pull. I was pulling to the right. I had that problem. I was at Gatineau a couple weeks ago, and I almost went into the wall actually.
Oh, wow.
All right, here he goes for a second pass. We did some suspension adjustments. We're gonna see what happens. Yes, sir. Let's go, Kevin. I think he missed a gear there. Oh, it went hard to the left, eh?
Yeah, he went right off the track.
13.7. Frig, eh? Yeah, it keeps on pulling. Yeah. Third pass. You do any changes?
No. I think it's pulling less to the left now, though.
Okay.
And I actually logged the last pass. I'm gonna try not.
How much boost did you make on that pass?
Oh, boost. Sorry, no, I made 13 pounds, like
okay.
12.9.
Okay. All right, get in the lanes. Let's go.
Yep. The blue RSX wanted to go, but I think
yeah. Let's go, Kevin. We need that 12. $13.2. So close, so close. Spotted another Del Sol. Let's see what this thing can do. It's definitely moving. 13.4, not bad at all. I think that's a B series turbo, like a B18 or something.
So we've ran multiple 13s, and we actually got into close to a PB, a 13.2, which is my actual PB from last year, at 101. So 5 miles an hour less than last year. So we're getting there faster, but we're only doing 13 PSI. So I added another T because I don't have a boost controller. So we're gonna go in the caveman way and added another T. And Aiden messed around with the tune because there were some of my fuels in the non-VTEC, which I don't spend time there. They were like intertwined, so we fixed that real quick. But yeah, with the new T, I'm gonna see if I can make another 2-3 pounds, hopefully. And I really want a 12. I really want a 12.
Yeah.
I really want.
We're hunting for 12s today. Yeah.
So, all right, I'm gonna go for a pass right now.
See what we can do. That was a good one. Uh, 13.3, so close. Consistent 13s all day for sure, but not quite a 12.
Aiden, how do you feel?
Good.
You ready? No. What are you predicting?
13s.
13s? Okay.
No snakes.
Yeah. Here he goes. Not bad.
13.5 missed 5th gear.
Look.
And I was spinning like crazy, so I might put the 2-step down or something.
Yeah.
Stuck open.
It's pure. Aladdin, what happened?
I think I blew it.
No, I don't think so. No, you're just dumping fuel of some sort. Yeah, he did a pass and then he stopped finding everything, and then we went to the back of the car. No, it wasn't starting. And then I go to the back of the car and it's like, you could see like that.
Locking up.
Huh?
It was locking up.
Yeah, it sounded weird. But yeah, it was like ticking, maybe hydro locked of some sort, but there's fuel dumping out of the exhaust. And it was just pure white smoke from just like unburnt fuel just dripping. And yeah, so we're taking the plugs out. We don't have a compression tester, which I should have brought, but yeah, so that's the Del Sol for now. He was just doing some passes on his street tires. Yeah, we're taking the plugs out to diagnose of some sort, see if we can, and hopefully he can make it home. Tragic. Give her a crank. There we go. So cylinder number 3 is somewhat full of fuel. We're gonna figure out the situation. All right. Let's try and start it with all others.
I think I want to
like,
let the fuel get out of the cylinder.
Yeah, let it dry out because it's hot, so it'll evaporate. And then, I don't know, maybe start it without that injector and see what happens. But hey, Zach made it! What's going on? All right, okay, well, we'll figure it out. Yeah. Let's do some more diagnostics.
Yeah, so we figured out, I think injector number 3 is just spraying fuel. So we're gonna let this thing, like the gas kind of evaporate out of the cylinder and get down to the oil pan. And then we'll try starting this thing up later. I'm gonna unplug injector number 3 and see if I can make it home like that. Kevin's about to do a pass in the 7th gen and see if we can get in the 12s. We've been hunting 12s all day. Just got to get that good launch and that good back up.
We fixed the 2-step because since I put a T, I lowered the launch control, and that was only making 3 pounds. So last pass I took off at 3 pounds, which I usually take off around 7, 8, 9. So we put the 2-step back to what it was, and I got it to 7, 8 on the data, or like on the display on 2-step. We're gonna try that right now, and hopefully at 12. 17th time is a charm.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, sir. That was probably the best one yet. Let's go. 12.9. Woo! Finally. 12.9. 12.9.
12
Let's
seconds,
go.
7th gen.
Oh, we finally got it. Woo! Let's go. Let's see the slip. What was that, 60 foot?
12.9, 1.7,
1.7,
well,
yeah.
almost a 1.8, but
Yeah.
oh, 12.9 at 105. Fuck
Let's
yeah,
go.
finally at 12, man.
Let's go.
Woo! Finally.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
All right, well, we got this thing running. We unplugged the number 3 injector, and I took out the coil, and it seems to be running fine. So, well, fine. It's actually running. So, yeah, we're gonna attempt to make it home. I think it should be fine, and then yeah, we'll have to order up an injector and see if that works. Yeah,
it should be.
Yeah, but yeah, that's it. We hopefully we're gonna make it home. Kevin got his personal best, and yeah,
Finally.
let's see. Well, we made it home on 3 cylinders and not even a check engine light on this thing, which is pretty crazy. Got Kevin over here. But yeah, like you can obviously tell that it's running on 3 cylinders. It's kind of running rough, but no check engine light. I just kept it under 100 kilometers there, and yeah, made it home. So I'm probably gonna have to order an injector, and well, yeah, probably an injector, and I'm gonna do a compression test too, just to see. Yeah.
Do some investigation.
See if we hydrolock the thing, because when I went to go crank it, when the issue happened, it was like tuck tuck, like it wasn't wanting to turn over, and yeah.
Soon we'll mess with it.
Yeah.
You know, what should be a challenge is me and you both do a track day and we both come back 100%.
That
would challenge.
That would be crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, we made it home. We're safe. That's all that matters, really.
Cool.
So, like I said, we made it home. Parts can be replaced, right? So that's all that matters. We made it home. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this episode. We got Kevin's PB. We got some issues with this thing, but it was a good time anyway. So we'll see you in the next one.